E-Invoice implementation timeline. Still confused about the E-Invoice implementation timeline? No worries, let's do a quick revision. Step 1.
Check your 2022 audited financial statements, AFS or tax returns, because year 2022 is the base year.
Step 2.
Find your annual turnover at 4/2022 to know when you need to start.
For businesses with YA 2022 revenue above RM 500,000, here's your implementation timeline. Phase 1. Turnover above RM 100 million on the 1st of August 2024. Phase 2. Turnover above RM 25 million to RM 100 million on the 1st of January 2025. Phase 3. Turnover above RM 5 million to RM 25 million on the 1st of July 2025.
Phase 4. Turnover above RM 1 million to RM 5 million on the 1st of January 2026. Phase 5. Turnover at least RM 500,000 to RM 1 million on the 1st of July 2026.
If your annual turnover is below 500,000 Malaysian ringgit in 2022, you are exempted. But it doesn't mean you're exempt forever. You'll need to keep monitoring your turnover. Once it reaches 500,000 Malaysian ringgit, E-Invoice implementation will apply to you too. Here is how you should determine your implementation date. For existing business, started before YA 2023.
If your revenue is below RM 500,000 in YA 2022, you are exempted from e-invoicing. However, once it reaches RM 500,000 in YA 2023, YA 2024, or YA 2025, you need to start e-invoice on the 1st of July 2026. If your revenue less than RM 500,000 in YA 2022, or reaches RM 500,000 in YA 2026 or later, start e-invoice on the 1st of January in second year after revenue reaches RM 500,000.
Let's take a look at the illustration to get a better understanding of how it works. Illustration 1. ABC Sendirian Berhad started its business in 1999. In 2022, its revenue was RM 450,000. The company closes its financial year on the 31st of December each year. In 2024, ABC's revenue grew to RM 650,000. When should a BC start implementing e-invoicing?
ABC should start implementing e-invoicing on the 1st of July 2026. Why? Since ABC's revenue exceeded RM 500,000 before 2026, it must start implementing e-invoicing on the 1st of July 2026, as required for existing businesses that have reached the threshold.
Illustration 2. Using the same scenario, ABC started in 1999 and RM 450,000 revenue in 2022. This time, ABC only reached RM 800,000 revenue in 2026. When should a BC implement e-invoicing?
ABC should implement e-invoicing on the 1st of January 2028. Why? Since ABC's revenue crossed RM 500,000 in 2026, the implementation date will be the 1st of January of the second year following the year the threshold was reached.
Same apply to new businesses. Started in YA 2023 to YA 2025.
If the business revenue is RM 500,000 or more, it will need to start issuing e-invoices from the 1st of July 2026. If the revenue is less than RM 500,000, the business is exempted from e-invoicing for now. If the revenue reaches RM 500,000 in YA 2026 or later, the business must start e-invoicing on the 1st of January in the second year after hitting 500,000 Malaysian ringgit.
New businesses started YA 2026 onwards.
If your company commences operations in YA 2026 or later, you will be required to implement e-invoicing once your revenue exceeds RM 500,000. If your revenue reaches RM 500,000 in YA 2026, your e-invoicing implementation date will be the 1st of January 2028. If your revenue reaches RM 500,000 in YA 2027, your implementation date will be the 1st of January 2029.
Important notes. Applies only if no non-individual shareholders, not part of a group or subsidiary, or joint venture with revenue above RM 500,000. Full details in the official FAQ.
We're now moving towards Phase 4 and 5. Are you ready? Share with us your experience, challenges, or preparation tips in the comments below. Let's help each other get ready for e-invoicing together.
Thank you very much. Hope this update is useful to you.
Hold on. Looking for reliable company, secretarial, and tax support.
We began as an accounting firm offering bookkeeping services, and over the years, we've expanded into a full-service firm providing
company secretarial services, tax advisory, and SST submissions, withholding tax filing, and expat payroll, support for international subsidiaries, payments, invoicing, and compliance, e-invoicing, training, and tailored software support. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.